Namaste, I am Shweta and welcome back to Meals and Moves. In today's session, we will learn Chakrasana, also known as wheel pose or upward facing bow pose. Now, Chakrasana is an advanced back bend posture. So if you cannot get into Chakrasana in the first attempt, please do not be discouraged because today I am going to share a few tips on how to get into Chakrasana easily and how to hold it for long. Also, I'm going to share a few asanas which you need to practice in order to prepare your body for Chakrasana. So keep watching. Chakrasana has got many benefits. It strengthens and tones your abdominal and back muscles. It makes your spine flexible, activates pituitary and thyroid glands, and gives a nice stretch to your entire body. Now, a couple of disclaimers. If you have high blood pressure, if you're pregnant, or have any sort of injury, please consult your doctor before getting into Chakrasana. For Chakrasana, you need shoulder flexibility and a lot of core and back strength. Now, to make your shoulders flexible, you can practice Gaumukh Asana or downward facing dog. So today I'm going to quickly show you Gaumukh Asana, also known as cow face pose, because this asana you can practice anytime, anywhere, even at work. All you need to do is grab both your hands and pull your chest out, stretch your shoulders. Now you got to practice this from both the sides. Now we're going to see bridge pose. Bridge pose is also known as base for Chakrasana because this asana helps you understand what all muscles you're going to engage in order to lift your body up in Chakrasana. So let's try bridge pose. Lie down on your back, your knees are bent, heels close to your buttocks, hip width distance between your feet, palms facing down close to your body. Now the tip is to press. I always say this, the more you press the floor, more it will be easier for you to lift your body up. So press, and while inhaling, lift your hips up. Now you can bring your legs a little closer for the additional stretch. Try and bring your chest and your chin in contact. Now while exhaling, slowly bring your body down. Extend your legs and relax. Now I'm going to show you easier version of Chakrasana in which we take support of the crown of the head. So again, bend your knees, heels close to your buttocks, hip width distance between your feet. Raise your hands and place your palms close to your ears behind your shoulders. Your elbows are pointing towards the ceiling. Make sure they're not tipping out. Now again, press your palms and your feet into the mat and lift your body up and place the crown of your head onto the mat. Now whenever comfortable, press your palms again and lift your body up. You can even come on your toes. Now if you notice my elbows are straight, try and keep them as straight as possible. Now, while exhaling, slowly bring your head down first and then rest of your body and relax. Now we'll see full Chakrasana. Again, bend your knees, hip width distance between your feet. Place your palms behind your shoulders, close to your ears. Now, whenever comfortable, press your palms and your feet into the mat and lift your body up. Try and keep your elbows as straight as possible. It will help you to stay in Chakrasana for longer. Now while exhaling, bring your head down slowly. Bring your body down and relax. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Meals and Moves, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.